Eli fell, guys.
Yeah.
Ow. Hey guys, welcome back to Fix and Frenzy. Today we are at our friend's house.
Hi.
We're gonna
It's upside
replace
down.
the doorbell because it's broken. The button is broken.
I just broke
So
it.
I found this on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link
This part almost
below.
fell off.
You want to just look for one
I
that's
knew
similar to the one you have, especially
No.
if you live in an HOA neighborhood.
Let me show you what it looks like.
Eli fell, guys.
Yeah. I was looking at it, so funny. I was like,
Okay, so all you gotta do is unscrew the old.
guys, look what it looks like.
This one is a flathead. Move.
Hi.
Can you see?
It is on.
Bam.
Oops, and I fell. That was good, right? It would be good
That was so funny. I mean, it wasn't funny because I thought Eli got hurt.
I did. I got hurt real bad.
He got hurt, but he's okay. Okay, we took both of these off. It's kind of sticking on here. You want to see what it looks like in here when you disconnect it? So you're going to have one wire circling around the
You're gonna be like this. You're gonna be.
the screw in here.
Wait, I'm gonna get the camera. Okay. Bye. Don't record it right now.
Okay, so we're unscrewing this a little bit so you can take the wire out. It's like a little hook, so it'll go around both screws. This one looks a lot easier.
It's not. I'm recording. Oh, hi.
Eli's gonna take the new one out.
It's just that. I got this part out.
Okay,
I
awesome.
can't do it right now because
It's not connected. So on here, we're gonna unscrew this a little bit so
I'm
we
gonna
can
get the screwdriver.
hook the wires back on here.
It's not nice to poke you.
We're gonna unscrew this a tiny little bit.
You got that on film? You're filming it?
Tiny
Is it on
little bit.
film?
Yes, it is.
It's on film.
We're gonna hook this. This is gonna go hooked. Actually, we should take it out more. It's easier if you open it up more,
Can I break this more? It's broken already.
and then we will hook the other one in.
I just saw one cap. Why is this taped a lot?
Hook it in like that.
How did you tape all of it? And how is it?
I just tested it and it works.
You ringed it? It worked.
Just testing. It works. Okay, so now we're gonna get the new screws.
I'm gonna get the nails.
Nails are the kinds that you just bang with a hammer. Screws are the ones that you have to screw in. Okay, so can you give me a screw, please?
I'm gonna take one of these, take one out, and I'm gonna poke it on that hole. And look what it looks like right now, guys. It's kind of crooked, so don't mind. Look, move here.
Okay, so
Oh,
Eli,
guys.
I need you to stick
Put it right in there.
Okay.
What does it mean when it's orange, right, guys? I don't know.
All right, come on,
It's itchy right here.
come on, Eli.
Ow!
Thank you.
Screw it in the walls.
And now we just screw it in, screw it in. Give me the other one.
Okay.
I always do just a little bit
Okay,
first.
I'm gonna get this out. Oh, can I screw that one?
Thank you.
Can I screw that one?
Eli's gonna
let's
try.
get it.
So righty tighty, right?
And then left to Lucy when you want to take it out. You can undo your hand.
Oh.
It's almost, I can stop whatever I want to stop.
All right, let me see. This part is kind of hard now.
It's not audible. This is the finished project.
We're done.
We're done, so let's test it.
Yay!
Work.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys. We're going to see you on the next video. The
So our next video is gonna be us trimming the bushes.
Yeah. That's the next video.
You should change that shirt.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. You remember in the last video when it was... I lost my shoes.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe.